I'm like this, After my 3 sharp up the 20 to year today so. Sharply as I carry my keke enter inside the streets of the social media's lifestyle. As I just they drive they go before I know to the happen, I be good. What is up? I say first off the lay boss like this and say man. Like this so now presido. Emi local one of Africa. No fear me your A. Emi local like this don't they call Supreme Court now. It don't tell Supreme Court say that evidence where Atiku go collect from American courts concerning a forgery case, so it don't tell Supreme Court say made a discard that evidence, so say because man that evidence not be the court officials now carry out the matter, say na Chicago State University official now can't give the deposition, say not be court officials that give them, say so therefore make Supreme Court may they discard that evidence sharply before you close the eye open them. So may they discard that evidence sharply. Wala. Anyway, I know what chook man was that matter pass like this. I go give that the full details just now. Just calm down. I know the run normally. From there, now so I carry my keke, they drive, they go. The road not good. I don't see the road get waiting be they struggle, they pass side pothole. Before I know the happen, I be good. Where they stop? Now say like this and this so. Federal government don't bust out again now. Yes, now. I like this government. They talk. They talk to their citizens. Well, I like them. like this. So, federal government don't the same message. Give the good citizens of Nigeria. Say, man, say make we endure for based on this fuel subsidy removal. Where all of us they suffer. So, say I beg. Say make all of us make we endure. Say because why? Say this hardship where they happen for the country because of this fuel subsidy matter, so say na temporary hardship. Say before we close our eye open the hardship it go pass come out. Yes, so there's but it should not be saying now. So they still tell us that May 29th when they come out and say na temporary hardship. I beg, it don't reach when this na temporary hardship, don't reach when I go put date. More know the date when Nigeria want better. I beg. Because this one talk temporary, it don't do too much. From there, now as I want to now navigate my way small my keke, the manager, my keke don't suffer. Before I know it happen, I be great. What is up? Now say now sports matter or football. Now they carry come. Now say what is up? One former Nigeria player. He does send better Microsoft Word, give the Nigeria coach, that person so we been a coach of Super Eagles. Say man, say this Maduka Okoye and Francis Uzoho, where Baba they put hope for as goalkeeper for Super Eagles, say no work. Say 12 they not get head. Say the best thing we go advise make our Super Eagles coach do to solve this goalkeeper problem. Say make it go Nigeria League, may go look for goalkeeper, we get hunger to deliver. Say cause say man, this other two way I mentioned just now, say no level, say no hope. And I don't see Nigeria get match today by 4 o'clock against Mozambique. Anyway, I go give now the full details of that gist too. We'll start the matter properly now. Take a beg you anywhere they watch this video from. Help me share the video, make another person see him. I beg. So that anybody will get interest for this kind of matter with the talk with you so. May they for see and may they know they solve for this country. And if for the first time when they see my page, I beg, follow the page. I may be update king if at all. I beg. Sharply go start with the first matter I break, which is the Microsoft Word where me look on send give Supreme Court concerning this article matter. Listen and be blessed. Amen. He said President Bola Tinubu has asked the Supreme Court to throw out the forgery evidence tendered by his rival Atiku Abubakar on the grounds that the deposition of Caleb Westberg, registrar of the Chicago State University, was conducted by attorneys rather than certified judicial officers. Mr. Tinubu on October 12 had filed a counter affidavit to defend himself from Mr. Abubakar's petition seeking an annulment of his election victory at the top court. In it, he implied the content of the deposition could not be trusted. I know as a fact that neither Gwendolyn Bradford nor any other person present at the deposition in the judicial officer asserted the Nigerian leader is in a calculated move to discredit Mr. Westberg's testimony given in front of all the respondents' attorneys on October 3rd. Mr. Tinubu further tainted the deposition by implying that it was not held in a neutral setting because Decade LLP, the legal firm representing Mr. Abubakar, selected their West Worker office as the venue. Decade LLP, referenced as the venue of the deposition, is the law office where Angela Liu, Esquire, counsel to the first appellant hearing, serves as partner. The president wrote the Supreme Court at that particular time on October 12. It was unclear, though, whether Mr. Tinubu's legal team, Charles Kamikel and Oluwole Afolabi, objected to the venue prior to the October 3rd deposition, or if they consented to go to Mr. Abubakar's preferred location. However, Mr. Tinubu seems ready to exploit the West Worker location as a legal loophole to prevent the Supreme Court from admitting the deposition as proof of his forgery. As the legal showdown for Nigeria's presidency draws near, Mr. Tinubu has unsheathed his own sword, leveling serious allegations of identity fraud and forgery against his main opponent in the February elections. He has challenged Mr. Abubakar to explain why he bore Atiku Kojoli on his primary school certificate and Siddiq Abubakar on his 1965 West African Senior School certificate. Voila. So because they go draw your own leg come out now, so you want to carry the matter face Atiku. Anyway, make two of them they drag each other. We say for the year we observe. They cannot be saying we really get hope for the Supreme Court before. I beg you, also the second matter, which is the beg whether they beg Nigerians say make we endure for this hardship. Say it is only temporary. Listen and be blessed to who talker. He said President Bola Tinubu's government has reassured Nigerians that the hardships experienced by Nigerians over the recent removal of fuel subsidy will be temporary. Information Minister Mohammed Idris gave the assurance in an interview in Abuja. He explained that it was obvious that the common man would reap the ultimate benefit of removing the subsidy. Mr. Idris said it was regrettable that only a few people were hitherto benefiting from the subsidy regime, adding that the few were enjoying the commonwealth of the entire country at the expense of the majority. So President Bola Tinubu said he would not be part of that. He stands with the majority of Nigerians. Although the removal will be painful at the beginning, it will be better for all of us at the end, he said. First subsidy removal is like the pregnant woman due for delivery and in labor. When she is in labor pains, she will feel and prefer she never had the opportunity to bear a child. Mr. Idris added, however, after the child is delivered, the woman will hold her baby, smile and become the happiest woman in the world. I think that analogy can be applied to this issue of fuel subsidy removal. So the pains will be temporary, but in the end, we will be better for it. That is what President Bola Tinubu believes in, and that is what he is preaching. The minister recalled that within the first few months of Mr. Tinubu's administration, he allocated funds to the 36 states and the FCT for palliatives to cushion the effect of subsidy removal. This is because Tinubu believes that the state governors are people who know their terrains very well. He also made available assorted grains and fertilizers to help cushion the immediate concerns of Nigerians about the removal of fuel subsidy. Now, wow, they want to use promise finish us for this country, Papa. They just could turn our name to promise. I beg you, so the last gist, which is that Super Eagles matter, concerning the two keepers, they make Nigeria coach make you go check Nigeria League to find goalkeeper. Listen and be blessed. So ex-international Taiwo Oloyede has advised the Super Eagles coach Jose Peseiro to turn to the Nigeria Premier Football League for players to solve the team's goalkeeping problem. Oloyede, a former stationery stores captain, advised in an interview while reacting to the performance of the Super Eagles in recent friendly matches. Super Eagles on Friday drew 2-2 with the Green Falcons of Saudi Arabia in a friendly match played in Portugal. A goalkeeping howler by Super Eagles goalkeeper Francis Uzoho gifted the Falcons their first goal, which many pundits have since termed an unacceptable performance. Oloyede, who played for the Super Eagles from 1994 to 1996, however, contended that the two goalkeepers in the camp of the Super Eagles were not good enough. The winless situation of our national team is worrisome. We keep on recirculating players that are out of their prime. The goalkeeping errors and instability are a bad omen for Nigeria. I don't know why the coach insisted on calling those goalkeepers. I think he should forget about them. Pesero should forget about Maduka Okoye and Francis Zoho because we have better goalkeepers in the NPFL, he said. He explained that great goalkeepers were discovered from the Nigerian league in the past. I don't know why it is difficult for Pesero to retrace his steps. Voila. But if you ask me, not be bad idea because goalkeeper for Nigerian league. I remember that time, Visit Yama, that time they play for Enyimba, what they take come. Even one guy that time, Dele Ayenuba, that guy in Nigerian league, the guy deliver well. At the time, say, even Van Zekin, Van Zekin, no man, I got tried that year. I don't know where that guy could even this safe. And Bruce Van Zekin. Yeah, ha. Anyway, just thank God for everything.